Hey, this is Kevin and Shauna from Sustainable Keto, and we're doing our first KetoKrate open box.
Exciting.
It is. They approached us earlier this month, or just last month, and asked if we'd be interested in being involved. And in the past, I'm not sure, but with this coronavirus thing going on, and sometimes it's harder to find snacks, this might be a good opportunity to
Some good options.
to be able to get some good snacks when you don't normally have those types of things available. But so what do we got here? So this is the box. Now, by the way,
approved.
this is our second attempt at this. By the way, we started to do one on Facebook Live a couple of days ago, and our lips weren't matching our words. It was way off. So this is take two. We opened a couple of things just to kind of give you an idea, but overall, for the most part, this is pretty much fresh.
Grain-free, aspartame-free, and maltitol-free. Soy and sucralose cups. So they try not to use too much calories. And they don't use maltitol.
No maltitol. So this is what you see when you open the box. You can see here a little bit about their mission for KetoKrate, which I think is pretty interesting. What's nice about
Tips
this?
on how to survive those Easter temptations. Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, they give you a story of somebody that's doing keto in there.
Shauna is the one who we're following this month on her weight loss journey, and she's done a fantastic job. Then he gives you little recipes. It's just really nice.
And there's a keto members only shop, so there's some things that you can they'll give you as code, and so you can actually buy some of the things that are not in the box here. So nice little things here. Sometimes it can be tough when you're trying to get keto approved snacks. But one thing that can be very expensive, right? If you buy them at the store, they can be hard to find. So what this box gives you, it gives you, full size packages of each of these as kind of like a sample. And the normal price is $39, and that includes shipping. But we're going to include a code that will allow you to get
$10 off.
$10 off your first order. So just keep that in mind. That'll be at the bottom in the video.
And the first thing that's in here is Dang coconut chips, tropical mangoes.
All right, let's look at the macros on it. So it's 200 calories per serving. The serving is about an ounce, 17 grams of fat, 15 of it saturated fat, which is
3 servings in it.
3 total servings in here. It's got 11 total carbs with 6 grams of fiber. So that ends up, if you're counting net carbs, that'll be 5 net carbs. We typically do total carbs, but this is a lot of servings. For us, this wouldn't be 3 servings. This is probably 6 or 8 servings.
It's a huge bag.
Pretty size bag.
Can't wait to
And tropical mango
get into
flavor
that.
is coconut chips.
We'll do that another night, and we'll let you know how it is.
Next one is the Reball Snacks, these matcha latte coconut bites. They're pretty good. Let's see, there's 130 calories, there's 4 servings in here.
It's a cream filled too.
Let's see, we'll do a review on each of these products as we go along. Not today, but individually with some of our other videos we do. 130 calories per serving, 14 grams of fat, 7 carbs, 2 allulose, 1 with salt, and that makes it 4 net carbs.
3 fibers.
And 3 fibers. So yeah, it's pretty low 1 net carb based on that. So that looks pretty interesting.
Again, we count total, but
Some people don't. So it gives you the option of doing either one.
we're not keto free.
Yeah, and that's one of the things too, is like we don't typically endorse a lot of snacking. Right? The way we do it is we do heavy meat based, meat and non-starchy vegetables until you're full, and don't eat when you're not hungry, but sometimes you just need that snack. And you've got our grandson with us, right? And so
Now we have options.
we have options to help him out when he brings the snacks.
This one is
It's better than
mini
Twinkies, right?
chocolate chip cookies.
Mm.
Can't wait to get into these too. I'm a snacker. He's not so much a snacker. I have a sweet tooth.
I have a sweet tooth, but it just
I like my chocolate.
All right, so this has what it says: 2 net carbs, 13 grams of fat, and 3 grams of protein. Overall, it's 11 grams of fat, 2 grams of fiber, and 7 grams of erythritol. Give it half. That comes out to 2 net carbs. It uses almond flour, erythritol.
2 servings per container. That's a lot more than 2 servings for a
Definitely. It's got chocolate chips and stevia, and erythritol, cocoa butter, prebiotic fiber, dried eggs, vanilla extract. It's a processed food. Don't get me wrong. Once in a while, this is fine. What's next?
One of my favorites, and we get this a lot, is moon cheese. Actually, I haven't gotten it in a long time. It's kind of nice. I think the only ingredients in this is cheddar cheese. Yep. And
Nice.
pasteurized milk. Salt and buns and colors. Okay.
So, yeah,
You
moon
can
cheese.
read the-
We've had these before. They're packed with protein, 100% cheese, 11 grams of protein, one carb with total. And this is I think 1 serving, but we would probably split this for sure.
No, fine.
Or maybe not.
I'll share with Joey.
Pizza flavored almond, the legendary foods.
Yeah, I've heard they're really good, the legendary foods, from what I've seen on other keto unboxings. A lot of people really like those products, so I'm looking forward to trying that.
Yep, 1.25 ounces. How many servings are in here? 1. No, we would split this. Yeah, right? Okay. 200 calories.
Maybe.
18 grams of fat. 8 grams of carb, but 4 fiber, so and 1 erythritol, so it ends up being, I think, 1 net carb count. Pizza flavored almonds. Sounds delicious.
Ooh, birthday cake. Hey, it's my birthday. What's my birthday?
When's last week?
Last week, yep. So
Stoka bar.
this is all mine because it's a birthday
Sure.
cake. No, I'm teasing. Let's see. You have better eyes than me.
Okay, so 250 calories, 22 grams of fat. Let's see, 18 carbs,
1
6
serving.
fiber, sugar, alcohol, 8. So it's,
I'd split it with you.
let's see, it's got almonds, erythritol, Stoka rainbow sprinkles, which I guess is different than just regular rainbow sprinkles,
Okay.
which are made of erythritol, soluble corn fiber, palm kernel oil. Yeah, this is an indulgence. Hopefully this is better than some of the other birthday cakes.
Yeah, I
we've
tried
We'll let you
another
know.
one I didn't really care
We'll
for.
try it out. The Jimmy Protein Bar, macadamia nut flavor. This is on here, keto friendly. High fats, low net carbs, 4 net carbs is what it says. 210 calories, 15 total carbs, but 11 fiber. Yeah, makes me wonder about that, about what kind of fiber they're using.
Yeah.
There's always the argument, if you just add fiber to something, does that really lower your carbs? Honestly, I really don't know. But again,
It's an indulgence.
it's an indulgence. I have no doubt this box will last us an entire month.
Yeah.
Anyway. It's not like we're gonna, gorge on it all at one time. These look very interesting to me.
Yeah, this one looks good.
The pineapple
I can't
mango
wait to
cake
try it.
by Noosh.
I think that might be the one we do the review on next.
Okay. 1 gram of sugar. It says it has, serving size is 1 cake, but I'm thinking this is 4 servings for us.
Yeah.
I mean, this is a pretty hefty size cake. And for me, I just like the taste of something. I don't need to eat a whole big portion of something to get the enjoyment out of it. But China says too bad. Let's look at it's 180 calories for that whole bar, which is not too bad. 13 grams of fat, 19 grams of carbs, 4 grams of fiber, 11 grams of sugar, alcohol. So, again, it's all about the net carbs, I guess, in this case. But again, I said this, if you're dividing this up into 4 pieces, that's still not too bad, right? And that's
Who are we dividing it up with?
me,
I guess Joey and
Joe, yeah. All right. Here we have, it's called the Fatty Original Meat Stick. We like meat sticks. We buy these, not these particular brand. Interested to try it. But we buy meat sticks for our own personal use for hiking, or if we go play poker with our friends, which we can't do right now either. But meat sticks are a nice way to get some fat and some protein. All right, so here's the 2 things that we did open because again,
I love these. These are Quavos Made from egg whites. And they're really good. Sour cream and onion flavor. And you can go with it.
Yeah, I really like these. We still have a little bit left. We're going to share with the grandson. It's like, I don't know. It's 140 calories, 5 grams of fat, 8 carbs, but it's got 4 fibers. So it's pretty low on all that, 4 net carbs. But again, this is 1 serving, right? We already divided this up between 2. There's probably 2 for us, 2 servings left. So this is really
you gotta try one on the camera.
okay, because they are really good.
Yep.
Now, we don't want it to stale, right?
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah. Nice crunch. Yeah.
Made with avocado oil too. I love the crunch. And the flavor is just
It's intense. It's very good.
egg white.
Probably some protein powder to help you eat that a little bit like a chip type scenario. It's good. All right. This
That's
is
just for Joey.
crispy cuts pork rinds. And these are Parmesan peppercorn. We tried them. They're okay. I mean, pork rinds, we buy pork rinds in the dollar store and they're pretty good. It says fried pork skins, grated Parmesan cheese, skim milk, cheese culture, spices, and hydrated garlic. So I will say one thing: a lot of pork rinds have
Bad ingredients.
well, they have like
Some ingredients. Some are bad.
some things that are sugar based. These don't. So I guess that's a plus, right? They're definitely truly 1 carb. There's no maltodextrin in them,
What
right?
are they? They are Parmesan.
Crispy cuts pork rinds. They look pretty good. I'm really excited about this box. And they also have this coupon in here for Legendary Foods Pop-Tarts, which are, I looked at the price, I don't know the price here, and I want to pay for it. But you think a box of 10 of those is $25, right? This whole box of everything in here is $39. $29 if you use our link that we'll be providing.
I think it's a pretty good deal.
Yeah, so it's a really good deal. Like I said, I
You
have
get to try different keto snacks.
no doubt this will last a
Find
month.
one you really like.
Find one you really like, you can order more of those, or you can have them alter your box to fit your needs once they find
These
out more
aren't
about it.
bad.
Yeah.
I like the salt and vinegar ones. There's another brand you get that has salt and vinegar, and I love them.
I like this one. It's good. So I'm hoping you guys will really try this out. Right now, as I
Right
said,
time, you can't get out to the store.
you can't go to the store, you can't do that, you can't find things on Amazon. This is a nice sampling of the products that are there for you.
Nice positive writing of it's kind of really nice box.
Yeah, it
I
is.
like the way they box everything.
Yep. Junk. This is not junk products loaded with sugar. This is pretty clean stuff. So hopefully you enjoyed our review and you'll click it and get yourself some. And then also be sure to check out our other videos too. Where we're talking about our keto lifestyle and how it's changed in the last couple of weeks.
Has. It's been very stressful.
But
and we need to do another video since our other video get messed up.
Yep, definitely will. All right, guys. Thanks again for watching, and
Thank
we will
you.
catch you next time.
Take care.